about this development? And what is your advice as we move forward in River State?
Well, we can't wait to see that happen. We've been left behind, River State is one of 36 states in this federation, and then all other states have democratically elected governors. And we had suspended for 6 months. Now that would mean that, our growth has also been stunted, for 6 months. And we're people struggling to catch up, because like I said when I spoke, that River State was at par with Lagos in 1999. And Lagos, is on autopilot and we are playing catch up. And then with what has happened now, that has further retarded our progress. So we are hoping that by the 18th, the president, will lift this suspension and let democratic governance continue, in River State. So we're very hopeful, we're very excited. We can't wait to see it happen. We're praying that it happens. We're praying that nothing shall happen to us, that will plunge us into that kind of situation anymore. And that when the governor comes back, there will be an harmonious working relationship within the governor and the House of Assembly and the rest of us, in the state. River State belongs to every one of us. River State has enormous potentials. We need strong leadership. As I have said here, River State, one voice, one purpose. We are people of the same purpose, the same voice, and a common future. Let us have that democracy that every other state enjoys, so that we can also enjoy the dividends of democracy.
So basically, there was this log ahead between the assembly and the governor. If you have to speak to Martin Sameli and the governor one-on-one, what would be your advice as they are coming back together?
No, it's simple. In the interest of River State, right, there must be no other interest. The interest of River State, and if they do that, then you find them working, as a family in the interest of all of us. We have decided that we're going to use the best of us to work for the rest of us. Now they are the chosen best, and they must work for the rest of us. If they continue to disagree, then the rest of us will suffer. When the elephants fight, the grass suffers. That's what we have had in River State for more than a year now, So we are hopeful that everything in this last 6 months, they'll be able to put everything aside, and only the interests of River State will be the abiding creed that will animate them and propel their every action.